Today I will teach you how to install Windows 8.1 on your computer. As you can see, I'm currently using Windows 10 for my laptop with these features shown. After installing Windows 8.1, you will be able to distinguish the differences between the two operating systems. I will familiarize you first with some of Windows 10's features. Now, let's proceed on installing Windows 8 by opening the application type file named Setup by double right-clicking it. Wait until this shows and loads automatically. Make sure to read instructions carefully so that you'll know what to do. Anyway, most of this can be changed later on at the settings after installation. It says here to get important updates by choosing between downloading and installing updates or not. It is recommended to choose the first. Click Next and wait for a few minutes to load. Next to appear will be the license terms. This is quite long because it tackles the Microsoft Software License Agreement. You can read it if you want to make sure your legal rights. Some of your questions can also be answered here about Windows 8.1 Pro. After reading, you'll have to click on the checkbox, then click the Accept button. Your computer will take a few minutes to restart. You'll just have to wait until this appears. It says Get Online, which means you have to connect to an internet source. But do not worry if you have none at the moment. You can always connect to an internet source later on. Next is customizing through the settings of your computer. This includes updating your PC and apps automatically, help protect it and your privacy, help improve Microsoft products and services, share information with Microsoft and other services, and then confirm your local account password and type it on the provided box. Sign in to your Microsoft account by logging in your email and password. If you have none, you can just click that you don't have an account below and create one. Then proceed by clicking Next. Then retype your email address like shown and again, click Next. In this step, it must verify your account by receiving a code of confirmation through your logged-in email address. Just simply type the code you received on the box and click Next, then wait for Windows to resume. Congratulations! Your computer's operating system is now successfully in Windows 8. You can now enjoy its features.